Hello and welcome back. Last week we talked about how to create a vision board that works. We touched on things about breaking down your goals and actually believing in what you're putting and connecting to your vision board. Now that we did that, today we're going to continue the series. And if you are looking to go to the next step and create the vision board, then stay tuned. Hello, guys, and welcome back to Sandra's Studio Toolbox. Last week we talked about creating a vision board that works, and today we are going to continue that series with actually showing you where to get your pictures and how to actually set up your vision board and things of that nature. So let's get started. Right now we're looking at the Leonardo app. This is an AI device. And the great thing about the Leonardo app is that you are able to create pictures that you might need that you can't find anywhere else. You can't find online or anything like that. You can go in and create the pictures that you want for your vision board. Another option for an AI vision board option or getting your pictures would be in Lexica. I have already created so many pictures in Lexica. I actually have an account with Lexica. And let's see where we are now. Right now I have 800. I've already created 892 photos for this month. So the price for Lexica is only $8 a month or $96 a year if you choose to buy the account. Okay. The great thing about creating your own vision board is that you can actually tap into what you're looking for. You can actually put in exactly what you're looking for and get an image, something that will inspire you. There are so many things that you can do in these AI application guides that can help you get inspiration, especially if you're like a designer or creative person and you're looking for outlets or ideas. This is the perfect place to get these ideas because they give you over-the-top items that you would have never dreamed or imagined of creating. That's the great thing about it. The next option I would tell you to try is Pinterest. And let's say we're looking for cars. And we'll go into Pinterest and we'll type in cars. And you might want to put a dream car on your account. And, oh my gosh, what is that? I don't know what that is. You can actually go in and download the image that you want, that you might want to put on your vision board. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't advise you to download any of these images and use them for commercial use. Use them in your videos or use them on anything else. This is only for your personal use. Please do not download other people's work and use it as your own, please. But just like with anything else, this is for your own personal use. This is what you're going to be adding to your vision board, okay? Now, what I usually use to set up my photos for my vision board is I go to Canva, and the best thing I can tell you to do is to print out a custom, your standard size, which is 8.5 by 11, especially if you're going to have your photos printed, okay? And then once that opens, you can go into Elements, and you can click on, type in Collage. Okay, there it is right there. Now, the great thing about Canva is that you have many options. You can do graphics, the photos, videos, what have you, for the collage. Now, if you don't want to do it this way where you can actually put in, let's say, for instance, let's do a see all and see what we get. These here are the different options. You can click on and add your pictures to them. Wait, I don't understand why that, wow, that's weird. Well, I guess that's just how it's set up. let's do a duplicate page. And let's see what this one here looks like. Let's bring it to the corner and drag it down. Okay, now this is another one of the options. Let's say, for instance, you didn't want to get a camera. This is really weird. I don't understand how they set this up, because usually in Canva, and I'll just show you so that you can see what I'm talking about here. Let me go out, go back in. Let's go back to all. And let's just click on elements. Let's just clear everything. And let's just go to recently used. And I don't like that either. That doesn't work for me. Okay, here we go. Let's say, for instance, let's get rid of this, because this is clearly not working. And I don't understand why they would put that up there in that manner. You can go to grids, and you can find a grid that will work for you. You can add however many pictures that you want to the grid. Just by choosing them over here. You can have different sizes or what have you. It is your choice. It is your option. Very easy to do. Extremely easy to work. And I'll just show you how it goes. Here we go. We have that in. And now we're going to go back. And we're going to type in, let's say, cars. And let's say you like this car. You're going to take that and put it in. Simple as possible. You see how simple that was? Cars. You just put it in the slot and it'll take. So if you have a mansion, you want to get a mansion this year, you're saving up for that, you just put it in. Now, when you fill this up, you can keep duplicating this if you like by just clicking down here, duplicate that page, and, add more pictures. That way you can print these out as you choose. Now, another option is if you're going to use it on your phone or on your desktop, or even on your, let's say you want to put it in an art book. You can go into the design frame and collage, mood board photo collages. Okay, here are some other options. Let's look at this. How beautiful that is. And it works the exact same way. And let's click on another one so that you can see. And I would actually zoom in so that you can see that better. You can actually put the pictures in to what it is that you want. And you can set this up on your phone. You can set this up, like I said again, on your desktop. Okay. You have so many different options. You can get your pictures again from Pinterest. You can go to create them in the AI. You can even do Google and find pictures if you choose, and then you can just have them print out. Now, if you have a printer, you can print these out at home. I have a printer that I use. I have the Epson's Eco Tank. If you have not seen that, it has been advertised by Shaq. Very good tank. I've had it for, I would say almost 2 years, and I have not changed the ink in it yet, and we print like crazy on that Eco Tank. That is the best investment I've ever made. I tell you what, $400 on a printer is mind-boggling, but they always said the more you spent on the printer, the less you spent on the ink. And I believe that is true. The Epson printer is absolutely amazing. I would advise, if you are in business, you have your own business, and you are printing things, or you are creative, and you need to print things out, instead of having to leave your house, go to Kinko's, or, wait a minute, Kinko's is not open anymore. Office Max or Office Depot or UPS and have something printed out, it's so much easier for you to buy your paper and have it done at home. Okay? So, guys, this is how you can create absolutely stunning vision boards for yourself and have your vision board parties. This is a great way to get your pictures out there and to get exactly what you want. Be sure that when you are choosing these pictures, like I said, you are visualizing, you are having a connection to your board, and that this will help you to manifest what it is that you want. Again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Remember to leave a comment of any other videos that you're looking for, that you would like for me to create for you. Please subscribe. And until next time, Ele Bolto Roulé. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.